Okay, back to my beloved metallics, which I've been messing with high flow for a long time and really enjoying that, but I do so love metallics. And so I'm gonna do probably a couple. This is the consistency of it. This is Color Shift, actually. Color Shift Purple and Teal with Anita's Gloss Black Metallic. And I put glitter in all these paints. I tried that. I don't know. Wait a second. I've never tried that with Color Shift. I've tried it with metallics. Sometimes I kind of lose the glitter. It's a very soft thing, even if I don't lose it. And I have some gold in a bottle that I mixed up a while ago. Not even sure what's all in here, actually. I know it's probably, it's DecoArt Glorious Gold with, I think it's made, I don't even know what's in it. But anyway, there it is, and I'll probably use that too. And so we'll have a go. I'm excited. I haven't used these paints in a long time. This might be a little thick still. It looks like the others though. No, it doesn't. It's still a little thick, so I put a little water in. I think I have enough paint to do two 14 by 14. I have a tendency to keep these metallics tend to be too thick a lot of the time. I kind of like thicker paint though a lot of the time because it doesn't tend to, well, the design kind of opens up and goes away if it's too thin. So I did a lot of water to this one. And I used the last of my purple. I need to get some more. This is a pretty color. Eventually I'm going to try mixing maybe some high flow to deepen some of these colors in these Color Shift. I have no idea what would happen if I do that. None whatsoever. So we'll see what happens. And when I use the metallic black, really interesting things happen with it when it mixes with these colors. It makes other colors. It's really cool, and I haven't done it that many times with. Usually I use a gloss paint for the black and not metallic, but when I've done it, it's been, a couple times that I've done it, it's been really interesting. I'm gonna run out of purple. This is mostly poured medium with a squeeze of gloss medium and varnish, and then water added to thin them a bit. I can see the glitter, but I don't know if it'll stay. Sometimes it does and it'll sink. Huh.